Hello friends, I am Dr. Sunil Sonar, a joint replacement surgeon, Sai Hospital Nashik and Wokad Hospital, Mumbai Central, Dadar Thane, Mumbai. Sometimes the patients really come very late for the knee operations. By then the knee joints, legs get so deformed that the operation becomes really very difficult. And because of the deformed legs, the stresses do come on the lower back and ankle joints. And the patients start getting pain there also. Now, if you see this patient, see his right knee, it's really going out and it is so deformed. See his x-ray, the deformity can be seen on the x-ray. Now, after the operation, we have made his knee straight. A few days after the operation, see how nicely he is walking. Now, almost 80 to 90% pain has gone. He can enjoy his life. So, in short, don't be late for the operation. Operation has really become very easy nowadays. Thank you.